Hello, this is Greg. This is a eBay sales video. I have a whole bunch of potentiometers. I'm just going to start going through them. All this will be in the box. This is a, let me see if I can get this on camera here. It's a little hand crank. You basically lock this end down and turn this and that end there, turns. And it locks into, I'm not sure what. I don't see anything in here that's really, what about this right here? No, I don't know. Anyway, this was in the box. I assume it goes with some type of a adjustment of some kind. So in the box it goes. I got to try and get through this quick. Okay, here is another potentiometer. It actually does cycle. It has a number of E150MP, a Mallory. Yeah, Mallory. And it does seem to work. You know, whoever collected these, they saved these for a purpose. I assume that were going to be used for something else. If they were bad parts, they wouldn't have been organized this way. So, but that's up to you to decide. I'm just going to show them, box them, and post them. I have this little ceramic looking thing right here. This is ceramic on it. Let me grab a pair of pliers. And yeah, it does. It does function. So that's how that works. I don't see any numbers on it of any kind. So that's going in the box. Boom. And then we have these long. Let's start off with this one right here. It's right in the middle of the scope. This is a CRL JV 9000. So anyway, there's it, and then we'll see, does it work? Yes, it does. Full range, excellent, in the box. Here's another one. Let's go through all of these right here. Here's another one, same thing. I have 5 of those, and works easily in the box. Another one works good. Looks like maybe some of these resistors have gotten hot, just as an observation. But I'm sure that someone's not going to buy these for the resistors. They're going to buy these for the function, for the, you know, the body of it. So here we go. Another one in the box. And one more right here. Works easy. And I'm going to do this one at the same time. Does it go all the way over? Yeah. Easy. And then those are different. So one more. Again, let's move this. Will that move back easy? No, that one's kind of sitting right on top of them. I'll leave it alone. So in the box, there, and number 5. And I am willing to break this down if you want. If someone doesn't want all of these. Okay, now I've got this big old long baby right here, and it just functions easily by hand. It's just there's a little clip right there that goes through and turns everything. So, oh, and there's numbers on it. Let's give it a go. It's an AB311-016 10K to 0 HM ohm, or to 10K ohm, okay. Type J, made in the USA. Excellent. And I only have one of those in the box. And here's another one right here. This one I think is a clicker type. Yeah. And it does do full function. Is there, what's that right there? Says something, doesn't it? Made in the USA. Looks like, oh boy, let's see. Yeah. PA024-607. And I believe that, boy, I think that's a 3. 6073. Okay. And is this another one? No, this is a different type in the box. All right, and this one, let's see if it spins. No? It does spin. I just couldn't get a grip on it on this little end here. And this is a, it's not turning there. It's not. Let's see, maybe this will be a good enough number. 264.30 with a 249. What was those? Oh yeah, they're there. Okay, in the box. And we got one more. Got this little big boy here. Is this going to just spin freely? Ouch. Stab me. Stab me. Let me see. I got it down here. Oh, that turns, but it turns hard. This one turns hard. What are the numbers on it? USA PA 300 with a CRL. There's a little CRL there and a 0 or an O. Could have been what they used to hold the part down, though they stamped it too. I don't know. And we have one of these babies here. Let's see. Yeah, it does. It functions. Huh. Oh, right here from the bottom. I'll get it from the bottom. It's, oh, okay, I see how it goes. It rolls over, but it doesn't want to roll over any further than that. So that one may need a little bit of doctoring to make it work. Number on it is 1231L. It's made of wood. Very, I think. Is that wood or is that some kind of a pressed? No, I don't think that that's wood. Anyway, this one has a little bit of an issue. In the box, have this little circuit board. It's labeled, well, there's the labels right there. And all the way down to these two little things right here, back side. There we go, in the box. And what do we got here? We have another one right here. This type. Let's see if it functions good. So this way. Yeah. This one actually does roll. The little ball does the little roller action on this one right here. The other one, not so good. It's beefy. It's got a number on it. 10-55. Nothing on the other side. And this looks to be some kind of a ceramic. In the box. And let's go to these guys. Oh, here's another little one. Another little one here. And it looks like it's seized up a bit. Doesn't want to roll. Might need a little repair work on this little guy right here. Okay. In the box. Okay, let's go to these right here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. Oh, yeah, those work very easy. 1. Oh, yes, nice. Yes, nice. And yes, nice. How about this one here? Yes. So, have these big, whatever the heck you want to call these. Let's see if there's a number on here. I think there is. This is a CRL 2512. It is made in the USA. These are all the same, I believe. Let's check each one. Yes. And yes. Made in the USA. In the box. Okay. And then this one, was this the same? This one has a CRL 2500. Made in the USA. In the box. Okay, now we have this little handle looking thing. Don't have any idea. It was in the box, so I'm assuming that whoever buys this will understand what to do with it. We have 1, 2, 3 short of these little doohickeys here. Go under the microscope. Lock down. Says Milan on it. And they're all the same. I have 3 short ones and 4 long ones. Okay. See how those look. The ends in the box. Okay. And we're coming down to it. Now these have little dual potentiometers on them. Just little stacks. Have 5 of them. Ah, no, okay, that one works. I thought I checked all these once before. Yes. And yes, yes. I'm only checking these for motion. I'm not checking them for function. Just to see if I'm checking them for function, not for whether they work or not. I suppose is the way I want to word that. Okay, now we have, let's get a little focus in on here. What do we got here? Upside down. This is a RV4 NAYS D503A 50K ohm, 50 kilo ohms. And it looks like a 53C3-50K-S 140-6624. And on this side, this is a 10K and this is a 50K. That's going to be the difference. 10K, 50K. Hello. 50K, 10K. How's your day going?
Pretty good.
How'd you not? 10K, 50K. This is a different arrangement here. And then we have 10K and 50K. So, in the box.
And I had a really easy night. Barely got to 5 hours.
Good. And then I'm going to move you guys here for a minute. Let's go ahead and... Oops, wrong one, sorry. This one? Yeah, there we go. Oh, come on. This one. There it is. Okay. And then this is the box. Let's jack you guys up a little bit. And that's where they're all going to, this is how they're all going to be packaged up. So, no surprises when you get there. Hopefully, if you don't have the Biden administration freaking out on everybody. Going through all of our packages next. Tell you, don't judge the USA by Biden, okay? Jesus. There we go. This is going to be an expensive shipping box. But again, for sale on eBay. Thank you for watching. Thank you more for buying. Have a great day.